Hello everyone. I'm here today to introduce to you the second star, the second shining star of Jazz Galaxy. But before I bring him in and before I introduce him, let me tell you a little bit about him. A very, very quiet person by nature, at least that is how I perceived him. Introvert, बहुत कम बात करेगा. The times that he would talk is basically during the lectures when he would ask his doubts to the faculties. And the times that he would discuss with his friends कि okay ये क्यों नहीं बना, वो क्यों नहीं बना, इसका क्या आंसर हो सकता था. You would see him discussing his problems with his friends. Okay, so very dedicated to his studies, very focused on his goal कि उसको क्या करना था from the very beginning. Okay, so let me introduce to you Atharva Dev. Come on, let's meet him and let us hear him share his experience with us, his journey with us for these 2 years. Hi Atharva.
Hi ma'am.
So tell me about the day you decided to join JHA.
I'd heard from my father's friends that it's a very nice institute, and even there kids were also enrolled in JHAS. So, and I also wanted to explore, so I decided to join JHAS.
Okay. So after joining, as you started attending classes, what did you find as your favorite subject? Which subject turned out to be your favorite?
First, I thought that bio would be my favorite subject, and although I still love bio, I think organic chemistry is also what I love now.
Okay, so organic chemistry. Okay, so overall, but how did you find the teaching over here at the institute? All the 3 subjects, I mean, how did you find the teaching?
It was very nice because I thought the teaching would be NEET focused because I'm going to appear for NEET. But my teachers focused so much on concepts that it helped me in other exams like KVPY also. So yes, the teaching was amazing, and the teachers made sure that I understood every concept before they moved on. So yeah.
Okay, great. So overall, you think that the teaching modules, whatever we have adopted over the years, it was completely exhaustive?
Yes, and it required a lot of work from my side also to be put in it, and yes, they were very helpful, and I was occupied all the time with those modules.
Okay, Atharva, so now tell me, once the studying is done, ठीक है, तो उसके बाद हमारे यहाँ क्या होता है?
Amul, the test of India.
Amul, the taste of India. So you remember these things, huh? It's good. I think these will take you all through. हमेशा जब टेस्ट होगी ना तेरी तो तुझे याद रहेगा. सर क्या बोलते थे?
Amul, the test of India.
Amul, the taste of India. So तुझे टेस्टिंग कैसा लगा अपने यहाँ पे?
What was very unique is that after every chapter we had its chapter test, and we also had MTPs which were conducted once every 15 days or so, and I also made a book, a doubts book, in which I wrote all my difficulties and checked them again and again. So MTPs were also very helpful, and the FSTs which were conducted at last, the full syllabus test, they covered all topics, and the questions were very in-depth, and I had to think and reach to the bottom of the concepts to get those, and yes, that was really helpful.
So you said that you made a doubt book.
Yes.
Okay, so how were your doubts solved? I mean, how did you go about solving your doubts or getting them solved?
So my teachers were really eager to help me, and I never hesitated to ask my doubts. Umang sir and Vikas sir were really very helpful. Even during the pandemic, I used to send them my doubts on WhatsApp, and immediately they used to clear my doubts. And yeah, that was really nice.
Okay, and did you try solving the doubts with your friends?
Yes, fortunately I got a really nice group of friends, and they always helped me. So yes, approaching your friends first is always better because they can explain it to you at your level.
So Atharva, tell me one thing. If you know, there are a lot of students now, 11th standard ke hain, 12th standard ke hain, and when they look at you people, you know, Tejomay at 705, you at 700, then there are so many at 680, 685 pe bhi hai Sahil. So there'll be a lot of questions coming into their mind. Okay, how did you achieve all this? So what would be your message for the 11th standard students, for the 12th standard students? Is there something that you would like to share with them?
So first, for 11th standard students, this class, this coaching thing is new for them now, suddenly after 10th standard. So although now everything is online, they may find it a bit awkward to sit all these long hours. But still, I'll say make good use of your time, and don't take 11th lightly. Make a schedule and follow it thoroughly. Get your doubts solved, put them on the doubts portal. For the 12th standard students, I'll suggest that it's time to get into your top gear now, because
Correct, very true.
if you stay regular and keep clearing your doubts, then I don't think you will face a big problem anyway.
Okay, any specific tips on how they should approach the exams, like, you know, say the last few MTPs or their FSTs which will come up for the 11th, for the 12th standard students?
I think if you take FST seriously, then you will not feel the pressure of NEET, because it will be just another FST for you, and an easier one at that. So yeah, try to allot different time slots for different subjects, and experiment at first with different time slots, and then you can find your right balance. Yeah, that's it.
Any specific tip you would like to give, you know, because there are many students who would be asking कि पहले कहाँ से शुरू करना है paper, especially, you know, 11th standard students को बहुत ये है because they've just done 2 MTPs. Okay, so उनको बहुत ऐसे होता है कि पहले कौन से subject से start करें paper?
Well, I personally did bio, chem, physics, but I think different students may have different priorities. If you like physics first, then you can go with physics first, because I've had friends who solved chemistry first or physics first. So in 11th standard, you can experiment with various combinations. Then from 12th standard, you can follow that routine. But I personally did first bio, then chem, then physics.
Okay, so physics was your favorite, or because it was difficult for you, you kept it at the last, or so you wanted to give more time to it?
Yeah, I wanted to give more time to it.
So we are making you talk a lot today. So tell me one thing that you love about the class.
I think it's the warmth of the faculty and the sense of belonging and family that I get in this class. I don't think I would have got it anywhere else, because all the teachers are so approachable, and Smita ma'am, of course.
Thank you.
Always ready to help us at any time, and yeah, that's what I loved.
So Atharvan, now that your journey with us is coming to an end, can you tell me honestly, okay, is there anything that you disliked about Jha, or any area where you think that we can improve, or anything that we can change to make things better?
I think if the FSTs and MTPs are conducted in line with the timings of NEET, for example, our NEET was from 2 PM to 5 PM. So if we have all the MTPs from 2 PM to 5 PM as well, and in that same atmosphere, then it will be better. Otherwise, it was really hard for me to think of anything.
Great. So basically what you're trying to say is 2 to 5 में MTPs FST हो, हम AC सारे switch off कर दें, and तुम लोगों को 1-2 घंटा पहले students को बुला लें, just like NEET. So if the timing is 2 o'clock, तो 12 बजे का reporting कर दो, उसके पहले कुछ खाना पीना नहीं, nothing, AC switched off, right? Phones तो वैसे भी हम बंद ही करवा देते हैं, तो ऐसे atmosphere में test conduct होना चाहिए. So उससे practice होगा. Okay, I shall convey your message to Jha sir.
And ma'am, before we end this, I want to specially thank all my faculty again, all the faculty of Jha again, because Jha sir had a very big influence in shaping my studies, because up till 10th standard I wasn't disciplined enough, and Jha sir explained quite often the importance of discipline. So, and even Modi ma'am's teaching was amazing, and I think maths is very important, and it lays the foundation for physics. So yeah, I'd also like to thank Pramod sir for that.
All right, so Atharva, it was a pleasure talking to you, and we all, even all the students, will be basically looking forward to the choice you make. कि तू कहाँ जाने वाला है, right? So whatever choice you make, we wish you all the very best, and do come back to us and again share your experience with all our students. कि okay, if you decide to take AIIMS Delhi or you take MAMC or you take JIPMER, today all the colleges के doors are open for Atharva. So I, on behalf of everyone at JHA, all our students, all our faculties, all the supporting staff, wish you the very best of luck.
Thank you, ma'am.
And do keep coming back to us, because you will be an alumni and you know what the alumni has done for you. So it's time to give it back, right? Okay, thank you very much. So after talking with Atharva, let's meet up with his parents. Let's talk to them about how their journey was with with us for 2 years. Okay, so I will hand over the mic to Dr. Bhushan Dev and Dr. Neeta Dev. Both of them are pediatricians and they have their own hospital in Shrirampur. So let us listen to them how they felt about Atharva studying in Pune and spending 2.5 years over here, almost 2.5 years with our institute.
Namaste, I am Dr. Bhushan Dev. My wife, Dr. Neeta Dev, we both are pediatricians from Shrirampur, and we are proud parents of Atharva Dev. We are really happy that whatever dream we had before getting admission in JHA's classes, we are fulfilling that dream, and Atharva has scored 700 out of 720 and with a good AIR rank, and we are very happy. So let me share something about this journey of becoming a doctor. I was a student from BJ Medical College here in Pune, and our times it was not that difficult, I really should say. These days it's just a cutthroat competition, and the subjects are very difficult, the difficulty level is very high. Physics, chemistry, biology, everything is really very, very difficult, and that too for 2 years, and that too they have to put all their knowledge in 3 hours on the day of NEET exam. So that's really a tough job. We were actually knowing about brilliance of Atharva. He is always topper in his school days, but we really needed a good guidance for him. So I got feedback from my friends here in Pune. So we came here. I remember distinctly the day when I met JHA sir and Smita madam. That was in another old building, and that time we were like typical parents, COVID type, and we entered the office and we asked, ma'am and sir, we want to get admission here. So JHA sir just asked me one question: is he a hard worker? Then only you get the admission. And that time I said, yes sir, he is definitely a hard worker. So he said, don't worry, then you just get admitted. So that was the confidence the JHA sir has and the institution has. And when fortunately Atharva was very lucky that they shifted to this new building, and the environment is so excellent. I really envy him that a nice full building, AC halls, nice classrooms, good audio visuals, and the nice faculty. He really had luck that he got such institution where he got nice guidance, then a family-like atmosphere, and he started getting confidence. So from first month we noticed that he is getting more and more confident. In between he used to get low moods, especially when tests used to be very difficult, MTPs on those. Then that time, but we initially made a plan that his mother will throughout stay here. She dedicated her whole practice for that purpose. So her experience staying with him is really more important than I was just watching from distance from Shrirampur. I used to come here every Sunday and used to meet them. But the main dedication is his mother.
हॅलो एव्हरीवन, मी डॉक्टर नीता देव. असं आमचं ठरलं पुण्याला अथर्वला ठेवायचं. तर आधी मला मनात धाकधूक होती, कसं होईल का होईल, पण सगळं एकदम छान झालं. अगदी सुंदर ॲटमॉस्फिअर होतं इथे. फॅमिलीला एक त्याला वाटायचं, काही बर्डन नाही, काही नाही. असं नाही तो थोडासा बुजेल असं मला वाटलं होतं, पण अजिबात नाही. तो खूप कॉन्फिडंट होत गेला. पहिल्यापासूनच त्याला आवडायला लागलं क्लासमधलं सगळं शिकवणं. सर टीचिंग स्टाफ आणि बाकीचे स्टाफ मेंबर्स पण इतके मदत करत होते प्रत्येक गोष्टीमध्ये. त्यामुळे त्याची हळूहळू प्रोग्रेस एकदम छान होत गेली. जे त्याला विषय अवघड वाटत होते फिजिक्स आणि केमिस्ट्री, ते पण त्याला नंतर इतके सोपे व्हायला लागले की आम्हीच आश्चर्यचकित झालो की बापरे केवढी इम्प्रूव्हमेंट आहे त्याच्यामध्ये. बायोलॉजी तर त्याला खूपच आवडायला लागलं. आणि अशा प्रकारे त्यांनी आणि प्रत्येक वेळेस कुठल्याही वेळेस फोन करावा, मेसेज करावा स्मिता मॅमला, तर लगेच मॅमचे आन्सर उत्तर यायचं. या तुम्ही डिफिकल्टी आहेत घेऊन या, त्याला सांगा. लगेच विकास सर, उमंग सर, मोदी मॅम आणि कुठले सर आहेत मला जास्त माहीत नाहीत, पण या सर्वांनी इतकं म्हणजे त्याच्या सगळ्या डिफिकल्टी कंप्लीट करून दिल्या. त्यामुळे तो कॉन्फिडंट होत गेला. नंतर MTP आणि FSTचं तर मोजदातच नाही. बापरे भरपूर FSTs घेतल्या त्यांनी. एकदम मुलं खुश झाले. त्याच्यामुळे त्यांच्या हातून इतके पेपर सोडवले गेले ना की अशक्यच आहे. आणि मेन म्हणजे आम्हाला वाटलं आता लॉकडाऊन झालं, आता मुलं संथ होतील. अजिबात नाही. सरांनी त्यांचे मोटिवेशनल व्हिडिओ पाठवले वारंवार आम्हाला. स्मिता मॅम बोलायच्या मुलांशी. त्यामुळे मुलं थोडे ढिले पडायचे, पण हळूहळू एकदम परत जोश यायचा त्यांच्या अंगामध्ये आणि मोठ्या तयारीने परत टाइम टेबल आलं की परत अभ्यासाला लागायचे.
Yeah, this COVID pandemic actually turned out to be an opportunity for them. They got 6 months more to study, though they were bored in between because the exam dates were not fixed and government used to change from one date to another date. So their tempo, but I observed that the Jha classes never gave up. They made it a point that their tempo will be regular. They never allowed them to slow down in first gear or second gear. They were always on the top gear and they were working for day and night. So I never saw Atharva relaxing. Now the exams are postponed, so let us relax. Sir never allowed them to relax. So that's the very good plus point. Even though our exam was actually expected to be on 3rd of May 2020 and it actually happened on 13th September, but Jha sir never gave up. He always was in touch and that I really appreciate about the classes. Yeah, other classes would have stopped actually. They would have said कि अभी आगे का आप कर लो, हम अब आपको सब हुआ है. लेकिन they made it a point. They immediately shifted to online classes and that metamorphosis from offline to online was really excellent. Never had a problem. They on the contrary, Atharva learned to appear online tests also and his score actually improved because online he used to get more nice planning about how to approach to the exam and all that. So I think that was this COVID turned out to be a boon for these students, though it was not a good thing. But I suppose that they really had a harsh time, but they made it, and we are now very proud. Second thing I will like to add about the environment is the students are very excellent here. Atharva had an excellent group of friends, and we never had a problem. We were very sure that all his friends are good. They are sincere, they are motivated, hard worker, with perseverance, and they are all focused that they are going to become doctor. And this is very rare qualities nowadays, because nowadays they have a lot of Twitter and Facebook and WhatsApp, and it's very difficult to be focused, because these 2 years are very really a turning point in the life of student, because we also became doctors. So these 11th, 12th is really important for students, and I will really like to give advice that parents, please make sure that you come to this class, you get nicely be a family member of this class, and you will really get success. And side by side, you should also, the second advice will be like, you should provide enough attention to child's mood swings, his nutrition, then his another things like whether he is involved in Facebook and WhatsApp and all those things. That's our job to monitor, of course. So that all these things should be seen. But I would say that the success is a teamwork, and this team requires a good guidance like Jha sir. So Jha Academy is really a good place, and we are very happy. We can proudly say that पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा. So we are very proud कि हमारे बाद हमारा बेटा भी डॉक्टर बन के हमारी गद्दी चलाएगा. So really thanks to Jha classes, and thanks for their guidance and faith in us. Thank you.